St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, which is not just a college, but an emotion. Guys, trust me, once you're a Xavierite, you are forever a Xavierite. This place produced such an epic personalities that we all know. Today, I'm going to show you Xavier's which you have never seen before. The beauty of the building, the place that millions of students dream to study, and I was one of the lucky one to call it my college. Yes, I'm an alumni of Xavier's, and today I am back in Xavier's to show you what Xavier's is and to explore the each and everything that this college has to offer. So I visited Xavier's as a guest for one of the event. Now when I entered this gate, obviously whenever I come back to this campus, it is very nostalgic for me. And there's Sanya with me who has been a great companion throughout. And as you can see this chords, यार ये किसने नहीं देखा है और कौन सी ऐसी मूवी है जहाँ पे ये नहीं दिखता. We all recognize this building. I think all of us. This is one of the oldest college, one of the most beautiful college that I can say in Mumbai. Can you see this beautiful staircase? It's still the same. Yes, been painted newly. हमारे टाइम पे थोड़ी सी अलग हुआ करती थी, but can you see the beautiful construction, the way it was built during the British era? And this library, I don't think so that you can see this pretty library anywhere. I mean, there are few, but then this place holds a special place in my heart because there was a time during my college days where I have been here for quite a while. I mean, हफ्ते में 3-4 बार तो we used to go because तभी के टाइम पे social media इतना था नहीं. And this beauty has been maintained. After library, let me take you to some other iconic places जो कि again you have seen in movies. ये कॉरिडोर, बताओ जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स में कि कौन सा गाना याद आ रहा है ये कॉरिडोर देख के, या फिर कौन सी मूवी का शॉट याद आ रहा है. कि यहाँ के वॉकिंग शॉट्स आपने ज़रूर देखे होंगे फॉर श्योर. एंड दिस प्लेस, दिस कॉरिडोर इतनी मूवीज़ और इतनी सीरीज़ और इतने सॉन्ग्स में यूज़ हुए हैं ना, completely, I mean, सबको याद हो गया होगा. This is or was, I can say, my classroom. The benches are still the same. Literally, I remember sitting here 10-12 years back. I was here in the year 2008 to 2010. Still the same blackboard. I know there's a lot changed in the new building. And this is the place that I love, which is the terrace. कभी कभार जब हमारे extra lectures होते थे तो हमारी classes यहाँ पे हुआ करती थी. And if you're a Xavierite, do not miss to visit your terrace because there are classrooms, but it is one of the best place. And yes, I met few students there as well who know me because I have been making videos on how to take admission in Xavier's, and I'm really happy and glad and grateful to God that I'm able to guide students at how to take admission in Xavier's. अब चलते हैं वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्लेस जहाँ पे हम लेक्चर बंक करके जाया करते थे, जो कि बहुत कम करते थे. दिस प्लेस इज कॉल्ड एज वुड्स. यहाँ पे सभी बच्चे बैठ के चिल मारते हैं. एंड जो ये सामने आप बिल्डिंग देख रहे हो on my left hand side, that is XIC, Xavier's Institute of Communication, जहाँ पे होते हैं इनके PG के कोर्स, मास्टर्स के कोर्स. सो यहाँ पे ये completely अलग डिपार्टमेंट है. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द न्यू बिल्डिंग. अभी आई एम रियली सैड टू सी कि बेचारे BMM के बच्चे नई बिल्डिंग में पढ़ रहे हैं बिकॉज आई एम मोर कनेक्टेड और से आई रियली लाइक द ओल्ड बिल्डिंग of Xavier's. But yes, these classrooms are more equipped and as you can see यहाँ पे BMS और BMM के lectures होते हैं. So that was a classroom for the self-finance courses, and now we are going to the most favorite place, which is canteen. And yes, each and every student in Mumbai will agree that Xavier's College has got one of the best canteen and indeed the most affordable. I must say a lot has changed over the period of time. यहाँ पे जो अन्ना थे वो बदल चुके हैं. But when you talk about canteen, the food, the vibe is same. I mean, it's lovely. I seriously miss my college days whenever I'm back to this campus But guys, I wanted to show you this campus. The reason is मैंने हर बार देखा है कि बच्चे अक्सर Xavier's के बारे में पूछते हैं बहुत कुछ, and to show them that how Xavier's is, how pretty it is, talking about their education quality, वो तो the best है ही. But अगर हम student life की बात करें, activities की बात करें, yes, they are the best. Yes, we are showing you the rate card of the canteen so that you can pause and see. And then पेट पूजा तो बनती है. To the whole shoot, we took at least 2.5 hours. And the event Sitare, which was the BCom department event, they did a fantabulous job. And look at this place. This is the place that I love. And trust me, guys, coming back to your own college as a guest, as a speaker, is a different feeling altogether. I hope, guys, that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.